Are you still using a basic dashcam in 2026? You might be missing out on some seriously advanced features that can completely change your driving experience. Today's best mirror dashcams don't just record footage, they give you 4K clarity, night vision, blind spot detection, voice control, and even smart features like CarPlay and Android Auto. In this video, I've ranked the top 5 best mirror dashcams from number 1 to number 5 based on real performance, features, and value for money. Make sure you stick around till the end because the number 1 pick is on a completely different level. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Pelsee P12 Pro Max. The Pelsee P12 Pro Max is easily one of the most powerful mirror dashcams available right now. It features true 4K front recording and 2.5K rear recording powered by Sony Starvis 2 sensors, which are known for their exceptional low light performance. In real driving conditions, this camera delivers extremely sharp footage. License plates are clearly visible even at night, and the dynamic range is excellent, meaning you won't lose details in bright sunlight or dark environments. What really sets this apart is its ADAS and BSD safety system. You get alerts for lane departure, forward collision, and blind spots, features usually found in high-end cars. It also includes 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, which means faster file transfers to your phone and smooth app connectivity. You also get a 128 GB memory card and an OBD hardwire kit included, so you don't need to spend extra on accessories. Pros: best-in-class video quality, outstanding night vision, advanced safety features, premium accessories included, stable and fast connectivity. If you want the absolute best mirror dashcam in 2026, this is it. No compromises. Number 2, Pelsee S12 Pro. The S12 Pro is another high-performance dashcam featuring 4K front recording with Starvis 2 technology, plus a 1080p rear camera. This camera really shines in low light and night driving conditions. If you often drive at night, this is one of the best options available. It includes ADAS and blind spot detection along with voice control, so you can operate the camera hands-free while driving. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, transferring videos is quick and hassle-free. Pros: excellent night vision, reliable safety features, voice control support, smooth performance. A perfect choice for drivers who want strong safety features and top-tier night performance. Number 3, JOMISE T860 Plus. The JOMISE T860 Plus offers a great balance between performance and convenience with 4K front and 2.5K rear recording. One standout feature is the detached front camera design, which makes installation much easier compared to traditional mirror dashcams. The zoom rear camera is especially useful for larger vehicles or drivers who want a closer view of what's behind them. It also includes GPS tracking, so you can monitor speed and route history. Pros: easy installation, high-resolution recording, zoom rear camera, GPS support. A great option if you want easy setup with solid performance. Number 4, JOMISE K17 Pro. The JOMISE K17 Pro is not just a dashcam, it's a smart mirror system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built in. This means you can use navigation, take calls, and play music directly from your mirror, making your car feel much more modern. It records in 2.5K resolution, which is good, but not as sharp as true 4K models. The interface is smooth, but the setup process might take a bit of time if you're new to these systems. Pros: CarPlay and Android Auto, voice control and Bluetooth calling, all in one smart system, large display. Best for users who want a smart infotainment upgrade with dashcam features. Number 5, AZDOME PG17. The AZDOME PG17 is a budget-friendly mirror dashcam that still offers 4K front recording, a 12-inch touchscreen, GPS, and Wi-Fi. For the price, it performs well during the day, though night footage is just average compared to higher-end models. You still get useful features like parking mode and reverse assist, which adds value. Pros: affordable, good feature set, large touchscreen, GPS and Wi-Fi included. A solid entry-level choice for those who want good features on a budget. So that was my list of the top 5 best mirror dash cams in 2026, ranked from best to budget. If you want the absolute best performance, go with the Pelsee P12 Pro Max. For night driving and safety, the S12 Pro is a fantastic option. If you want something easy to install, check out the JOMISE T860 Plus. And for smart features, the K17 Pro stands out. Finally, if you're on a budget, the AZDOME PG17 is still a great pick. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.